is Albarca farm. No drugs, no cough, no cocci. Only we use only Ultra Ds. From the beginning of the birth till this particular time. We are 8 weeks plus now. And it's Albarca feeds that we used. See how beautiful, how clean they are.